My name is Michael Clipperton, and I am representing Mariposa Arts Theatre, and the category in which we are nominated is the Heritage category. Blair Bailey and Phyllis Johnson and I took on this project as a team, and we decided that it was going to be a retrospective of the 50 plus years that Mariposa has been in existence. And so we compiled the show, we put it together, and we chose scenes from many, many shows that Mariposa has done over the years. The reaction from the audience every night, people would come up to me afterwards with tears in their eyes saying, "Thank you so much for doing this," because it brought back so many memories for them, particularly the photographs that we discovered in the archives of almost every show, like cast photos. And, people would see themselves when they were like 15 years old in a show in 1982. As I said, it was our way of saying thank you to Orillia. There are always challenges, no matter what you're doing. But it's always worth it in the end. And it always comes together in the end. These people are so dedicated, and they're not getting paid. They do it because they love it.
My name is Rob McCron. I am a volunteer at the Orillia Legion, and I'm nominated for the category of Heritage. One of the volunteer jobs I have is the curator of our museum. Since I was a young fellow, I've always loved history and curious about what goes on in history. And since I joined the Legion, I got to talk to a fair amount of veterans, past and present now, and the stories they told me about, whether it be the war or what they did with the families over the years, were very interesting. And I thought, boy, some of these stories I should pass along. That's why I started getting interested and eventually taking over the museum we have at the Legion. I like to pass on any information this noggin takes in. I like to give it out. I'm looking forward to see in 10 years the younger generation that is now and in 10 years have grown up and realized what Orillia has to offer or had to offer.